welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you how to read a Louis Vuitton date code. So let's get into the video. My Louis Vuitton, my world tour and never full to demonstrate how to read a Louis Vuitton date code. But first, what is a Louis Vuitton date code? The date code tells you when and where your Louis Vuitton item was made. In the Louis Vuitton never full, the date code is located behind the flap here. So the date code of this particular item is SF3109. The first two letters of the date code will identify the specific factory it was made in. This bag is made in France, so SF is a code for a factory in France. So we know this particular item was made in France. Some of your Louis Vuitton items could be made in Spain, in the USA, or in France, for example. So this particular item was made in France. So let's get into the numbers. 3109. If you take the first number and the third number, which in this sequence is 30, that's telling me the week it was made in the 30th week of the year. Then second number and the fourth number represent the year. So 19, which represents 19 for 2019. This item was made in a factory in France the 30th week of 2019. That's how you can read a Louis Vuitton date code if you're interested. It's all about the first and third numbers representing the week and the second and fourth numbers representing the year. Again, the first two letters identify the factory it was made in. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick informative video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.